Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss top 3 LeetCode Java programs. I think in the last 2 series, we discussed some of the most important LeetCode Java programs. Just we will continue that. Whoever not attend those previous series, that is part 1 and part 2, I highly recommend you can check the part 1 and part 2 earlier series so that you will get the knowledge. For this series, let's continue, where we are going to cover 3 top LeetCode interview questions. Okay, let's start this. Okay, we are going to cover these 3 LeetCode programs. First one, remove duplicates from sorted array. That is, remove duplicates in place. Let's discuss about the problem statement. Okay. So the problem statement is, given an integer array, let's say the name is nums, sorted in non-descending order. Okay. So what we will do, we will just remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then we will return the number of unique elements and modify the array in place. Okay, let's create one class. Let's create one Java class. Let's say remove. Okay, duplicates. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Okay, yeah. Let me create one main method. Okay, so let's discuss the problem statement or else examples. For example, let's say input, let's say there is one array and that name is nums is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 4. Okay, then the output will be, then the output will be 5. Okay, the output will be 5 and nums will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nums will be which one? Nums will be, because we only display the unique value. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the output will be 5. Understood? Because the first 5 elements of nums are the unique ones, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Understood? So what will be the approach? So we will use 2 pointers. Let's say I points to the last unique element and j scans the array from start to end. Okay. For each j, if norms of j not equal to norms of I, move I forward and assign norms of I is equal to norms of j. Then what will do? Then after the loop, return I plus 1 as the count of unique elements. Okay, let's start this. So what we can do, let's create one method. Let's say public static int remove duplicates. Then int norms. Okay, public static int remove duplicates. Let's say int norms, which will take x string integer array as input. Then we will find if norms dot length equal to 0, then we will return 0. Okay, then return 0. Okay, then let's say int I is equal to 0, pointer for unique elements. Then we will take, let's say int I is equal to 0. Okay, then we'll take, let's say for int j is equal to I, int j is equal to 1, j will start from 1 because we will compare. J is equal to 1, j less than norms dot length, j less than norms dot length, then j plus plus. Okay, j is equal to 1, j less than norms dot length, j plus plus. Okay, then if norms of j not equal to norms of I, let's say, and if norms of j not equal to norms of I, okay, if norms of j not equal to norms of I, then I plus plus. Okay, then what will do, norms of I equal to norms of j. Norms of I equal to norms of j. Okay, then we will return I plus 1, return I plus 1. Okay, number of unique elements. Okay, then we'll take public static void main string args. Okay, then what we'll do, let's say int noms is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 4. Okay, int noms is equal to, okay, it is a array, so int noms is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. Then int length is equal to remove duplicates of noms, remove duplicates of noms. Okay, then system.out.println number of unique elements plus length, number of unique elements, number of unique elements plus length. Okay, then array after removing duplicates, array after removing duplicates. Okay, array after removing duplicates. So let's say for int k is equal to 0, int k is equal to 0, k less than length k plus plus. Okay, then system.out.println noms of k plus. Okay, understood? So let's run this, we'll see the result. So if you will see here, what it is showing, number of unique elements 5, absolutely working fine. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of unique elements 5. Array after removing duplicates. So what are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll see the result. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, absolutely working fine. Okay guys, so that's how we will remove the duplicates from the array. Okay, so next we'll see the next, implement strStr, that is find substring index like index of. Okay, let's do this. So what is the problem statement? Implement strStr hashtag needle, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in hashtag, or -1 if needle is not part of hashtag. Needle can be any empty string which will return 0. Okay, let's take one input. Okay, so what we can do, let's create one class. Okay, and let's give the name as implement strStr. Okay, let's say implement strStr. Okay, then main, hello, Anil Kumar. Yes, yeah. Yes, yeah. Okay. No, I am an immediate joiner actually. 23rd September. That is there. Yes. Python, no, Python very less, like 1 year. I am strong in Java, Selenium, Java. So you are okay? No, I am looking for Java actually. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Okay, let's discuss this. So for example, let's say the input is, let's say input is let's say something hashtag. Okay, then it is, let's say hello. Okay, and let's say another string is needle. Okay, another one is needle. Okay, and let's say it is ll, so the output will be 2. Okay, and let's say hashtag is AAAA, so let's say hashtag is 1 2 3 4 5, let's say 5A, and needle is BBA, then output is -1. Okay, here the output will be -1, because why? Because it is kind of bigger, needle is bigger than hashtag. Okay, because it starts with B. Then after that, let's say hashtag is ABC, and let's say this is empty, so here it will be 0. Okay, understood? Yeah, so what will be the approach? Basically we'll use sliding window, like handle the edge case. If needle is empty, then return 0. Okay, loop over hashtags until hashtag dot length minus needle dot length. At each position, check if the substring of length needle.length equals needle. Okay. If yes, return the index. If loop ends, return -1. Okay. Then write down. Let's write down the logic. Let's create one method, public static int str, public static int, let's say str, public static int str, let's say string hashtag, string hashtag, comma, string needle, okay. Then if needle dot is empty, then return 0. Okay. Then int n is equal to hashtag dot length. Okay. Hashtag dot length. 1 second. Hashtag dot length. Okay. Then int m is equal to needle dot length. Okay. For int I is equal to 0. Okay. I less than equal to n minus m, I less than equal to n minus m, then I plus plus. Okay. If let's say hashtag dot substring I comma I plus m dot equals needle. Okay. Then return I. Then return -1, else return -1. Then okay, 1 second. So it will be 1 second. So it will be return -1. Okay. Okay. Then publish static void main string, let's say system.out.println hello, and we pass hello, and other one will pass ll. Okay, then we just write down the method strstr. Okay, understood. Okay, then after that just will write down AAA and BBA and BBA. Then we'll write down ABC and it will be empty string. Okay, so let's run this and we'll see the result. One second. So int n is equal to hashtag dot length. One second, just checking. One minute. So here okay, int n is equal to hashtag dot length. Basically, one second, we'll get the hashtag and after that I think it will be one second, just checking. It's not getting the what it is asking, unreachable statement. Okay, so that means one second, return 0. Okay, so what we can do instead of this, what we have written, if needles dot is empty, then return 0. Okay, so if what we can do, let's write down this. Okay, so after that, one second, this is not required. Okay, see, absolutely working fine now. So basically, yeah, then let's run this. Yeah, absolutely working fine. See, so if you see here what we did, hello and ll, so it will be 2. Okay, then a b b a, so it will be -1. Okay, then ABC and this string it is 0. Okay, so 2 -1 0. Okay, that's how it is. And yeah, so this is the program. Okay, understood? Yeah, let's move to the next program. Search insert position. Okay, that is find index where elements should be inserted. Find index where elements should be inserted. Okay, let's create one class. Okay, let's say the class name is search insert position. Let's say search insert position. Okay, then just let's write down the problem statement. Okay, write down the problem statement. Okay, so the problem statement will be given a sorted array nums and a target value, return the index if the target is found. Okay, let's say given a sorted array that is nums and a target value, and return the index if the target is found. Okay, if not found, return the index where it would be inserted in order. Okay, what are the constraints? The array has no duplicates, must run in order of log n time for optimal solution. Okay, for example, let's say input, let's take one input, nums is equal to, let's say 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, then let's say target found at index, let's say target is 5. Okay, so let's say target is 5, sorry. Then the output will be which one? 0, 1, 2. So second index. Let's say num is equal to 1, 3, 5, 6. Okay, and let's say the target is 2. That means output will be which one? Inserted index 1 to maintain order. Okay, target is equal to, let's say 2, then output will be which one? 1. Okay, how exactly we are getting this? Basically we will insert at index 1 to maintain order. Okay, we will insert at index 1 to maintain the order. Then let's say target is equal to 7, then we will insert at the end. Understood? Because just try to understand why. Because 2, so we will definitely, because it is, as it is sorted, so definitely 2 will come after 1, right? So that means index position 1. Similarly 7 means 7 will come after 6, right? So that will be then the index position will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Like that. Let's say target is equal to 0. So in that case, then the output will be which one? 0, because that will be 0th index, right? 0th index will enter 0. So the target will be 0. Okay, like that. So what approach we are going to do? So approach will be binary search. We will do a binary search. How exactly? We will initialize left is equal to 0, right is equal to, let's say, nums dot length minus 1, while left less than equal to right. Okay, then what we will do? We will find the mid. Mid is equal to left plus right minus left divided by 2. Then if nums of mid equal to target, then return mid. If nums of mid less than target, then move left is equal to mid plus 1. Else move right is equal to mid minus 1. If not found, then left is the insert position. Okay, then okay, so what we can do, let's create one method. Let's say public static int search, public static int search insert let's say search insert, let's say int nums, then int target. Okay, hello. Yeah, hi Deepali, hi. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I received the link actually, yes. I'm going to attend that during at 6 p.m. Yeah. Okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Let's create one method. Let's say public static int search insert int nums int target. Okay. So here we'll write down. Let's say int left. Int left is equal to 0, comma right is equal to nums dot length -1. Okay, then while left less than equal to right, while left less than equal to right, while left less than equal to right, then int mid equal to left plus right minus left divided by 2. Right minus left divided by 2. Okay, if nums of mid equal to target, if nums of mid equal to target. Okay, if nums of mid equal to target, then return mid. Else if nums of mid less than target, else if nums of mid let's say nums of mid less than target, nums of mid less than target, then okay, nums of mid less than target, then left is equal to mid plus 1, then left is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, else right is equal to mid minus 1, else else right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, then we'll return left, return left. Okay, understood? Then let's take one integer array. Let's say int noms is equal to 1356 1356. Then system.out.println search insert noms comma 5. Okay, so what we'll do, we can write down search insert noms comma 5, noms comma 5. Okay, then system.out.println noms comma 2. Okay, then system.out.println noms comma 7, noms comma 7. Then noms comma 0. Okay, let's run this and we'll see the result. Okay, so here noms is equal to 1356, so we require 5. That means which index? So index position 2, 0 1 2, so it is 2. Then noms 2, that means 2 will come after 1, that will be index position 1. Then 7, so it will come after 6, the index position will be 0 1 2 3 4, and 0, so 0 will be always in the 0th index. Okay, that's how we will get the result. Okay, understood? Okay, that's how we will get the result. Okay, this is the result. Okay, that's it guys, that's it for this session. Please like it, subscribe the channel, share with your friends and family. I will come up with some new interesting topic that will be the next series of LeetCode programs. Till then, take care, bye bye. Thank you so much guys.